In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a checkout page from Circle, so on your website. The first thing you'll want to do is create your Circle paywall. Start by logging into your Circle account. Once you're inside, go to the top navigation and click on your community name or logo. From that menu, select Paywalls, and then click Create Paywall. Here, you'll enter the basic details for your offer, including the paywall name, the price, the currency, and the checkout description. These details are important because they shape what your visitors will see when they land on the checkout page. After that, customize the checkout page by adding your cover image, benefits, badges, and any other options Circle makes available. This is a good moment to make the offer feel clear and polished so visitors understand the value right away. Once everything looks good, save or publish the paywall. Next, you need to copy your Circle checkout URL. To do that, go back to the paywall section and find the specific paywall you want to promote. Click Copy Link, and Circle will copy the checkout URL to your clipboard. This link is what you'll place on your website, so visitors can go directly to the checkout page. Now let's add that checkout link to your website. The easiest way to do this is by using a button. Open your website editor and add a button or call to action element wherever you want people to click. For the button text, use something simple and action-focused like Join Now, Get Started, or Buy Now. Then paste your Circle checkout URL into the button's link field. After that, save your changes and publish your website. Once your site is live, anyone who clicks that button will be taken straight to Circle's checkout page to complete their purchase. This approach is simple, reliable, and works well if you want a clean path from your website to checkout. If your website is built with Circle's own site builder, the process is very similar. Go to Site Builder and open the page where you want your checkout call to action to appear. Click Add Elements, then add a button. Set the button link to your Circle checkout URL, preview the page to make sure everything looks right, and then click Publish Changes. That's all it takes. Create the paywall, copy the checkout link, add it to a button, and publish. If you keep